Lost your important files unexpectedly? Photos, videos, documents, or valuable memories gone in just a moment? Don't worry, there may still be a way to get them back. Meet RecoveryFox AI, a powerful and user-friendly data recovery solution designed to help you restore lost files quickly and easily. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for RecoveryFox AI download. Now, click on the Download RecoveryFox AI link from the wonderfoxrecovery.com website. Once the website loads, scroll down and click the blue Free Download button. The file will start downloading. The file size is around 34.64 MB, so wait until the download is complete. Step 2. Once the file is downloaded, open it and start the installation process. The installation process is simple and easy to follow. After the installation is complete, launch the application. If you want to purchase the app, there are different plans available, including 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and lifetime plans. For this tutorial, I will select the 1-week plan, which is enough for me. Now I have purchased the license key. Let's register the app and start the recovery process. That's it. My license is valid for 7 days, and after it expires, it will no longer be active. I lost some files from my USB drive, so I will start a scan and see what we can recover. As you can see, the scan is running, and the app is searching through the USB drive to find the lost files. Here are the results of the scan. These are the files that were found during the recovery process.